Recognizing its irreplaceable value, this ancient wonder is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but its significance goes beyond ecology. This is the ancestral home of the Eastern Kuku Yalanji people, whose culture and stories are woven into every leaf and stream. In a landmark decision, management of the Daintree National Park has been handed back to its traditional owners, ensuring that ancient wisdom will guide the protection of this sacred place. It's a powerful union of ancient culture and modern conservation. For scientists, the Daintree is a frontier of discovery. Its immense biodiversity means researchers are constantly finding new species of insects, fungi, and even vertebrates. They are unlocking the mysteries of our planet's past, studying how this ecosystem survived dramatic climate shifts. The unique chemical compounds in its ancient flora hold untold potential for new medicines. Every expedition is a chance to find another piece of the puzzle of life on Earth.